Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to paint my face, and then I put my paintbrush in water so I could paint it like this, and then I'm gonna show you how to paint my face with this too. So let's get started.
What happened?
It dropped.
Oh my goodness. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you talking to your people? Wow. I think you're done. You don't have any more space on your face.
I do.
Where?
I need to put blood.
You need to put blood? Where? ¿Dónde te falta blood? Right there? That's where you need it? Oh my goodness. You're such an artist.
Me?
Yeah. Yeah. Ooh.
You did when guys went. Yep, but not ugly. One, cause he's missing. He's my best friend. Who said he's your best friend? I did. Oh. Who said my best friend? I did. Yeah!
Whoa, hey, that looks pretty cool. Alright, look at you. You don't even look like the same kid.
Good, yeah.
Is that what you're trying to do?
Yeah.
You did pretty good.
Yeah, but could you wipe it off for me?
You want me to wipe it off?
Yes,
okay, tell your friend.
No, I'm not done.
What do you mean?
I want to do this.
You want me to take it off? No, it's time for a shower.
No.
You can try again later. Ooh, all your friends are watching you cry with your monster face. Well, you're the one being grumpy, not me. Just saying, you look a little green in the face.